Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Mid-Level 1 Rentals. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and other programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. Here is also you can see that the project description. Read it out carefully. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals. Grader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 ML1 Rentals from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: you want to format the main title to have a consistent appearance to other documents and spreadsheet. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the range A1 to G1. Basically, in this question, you will have to apply a heading 1 style to the range A1 to G1 range. Now move to the Excel workbook. First, you will have to select the range. Click on the cell style. Click on this heading 1. Apply this. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is: you want to apply a similar complementary style to the date, which is below the main for title. Apply the 20% accent 1 style cell style to the range A2 to G2. Move to the workbook. First, you will have to select the range in this box A1 to G2. Select this range, then go to the cell style, then select the cell style. Click on this. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is: the peak rentals heading is centered over the related data in column C and D. You want the off-peak rentals heading to the centered over its related data. And the next is merge and center off-peak rentals in the range E4 to G4. In this question, you will have to select the range E4 to G4 and merge and center this title of peak rentals. Move to the workbook. First, you will have to select the range, this one. Then go to the, click on this, merge and center. Now move to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is: to help other people know that the off-peak rentals off-peak rentals heading is related to three columns of data. You want to apply a fill color to that heading. You will choose a different color to distinguish these data columns from the fill color used for the peak rentals heading, and apply blue fill color, the eighth color below standard colors, and white background 1 font color into cell E4. In this question you will have to apply a blue fill color and then white background 1 and font, and also apply the font color in cell E4. Now move to the workbook. Select this and apply a color blue and white font color. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is three headings. Three headings: maximum revenue, and discount rate do not fully display on the fifth row. Instead of widening the columns, you want to wrap the headings within their respective cells. This will enable you to maintain the column width appropriate for the data below the headings. Then center and wrap the heading on row 5. Basically in this question you will have to center and wrap the heading on row 5. Now you will go to the workbook, E5, center this and click on this, center and wrap the heading on row 5. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is this heading in D5 and F5 wrap within words. Because the columns are too narrow, you will widen those columns and center the number of units below its column heading. Set the width of column D and F to 10.0. Select the range B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. Basically in this question you will have to set the width of column. First select the column, then right click on this, then column width 10, then select this column and column width 10, click OK. Now move to the instruction file, B6 to B8 and horizontally center the data. B6 to B8, first select this range and horizontally the data. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is that one of the rental types is missing from the list. You want to insert a row after the studio apartment row and enter the missing rental type. Insert a row above the one bedroom suite in cell A7, type ocean view studio in cell B7, type 4 in cell C7, type 2 75 in cell E7, type 200. Basically in this question you will have to insert a new row above the one bedroom suite in cell A7. Move to the workbook in A7, select this row, then right click on this and press OK, insert. The new row will added and type Ocean View Studio. In A7 type Ocean View Studio. Ocean View Studio, simply you will have to copy and paste the same text on this, or you can type in cell B7, type 4 to 75. In cell E7 you will have to type question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is you want to change the suit to apartment in the list. Find occurrences of suit and replace them with occurrences of apartment. Basically in this question you will have to find the occurrences of suit and then replace them with occurrences of apartments. So you will have to find this word and then replace with the occurrences of apartment. Then move to the workbook. Select this column, then go to find and select. And for what field you will have to type suit and then replace with text field you will have to type apartment, then click on replace all, click OK, then close. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is you are ready to calculate the peak rentals maximum revenue that can be earned. The maximum revenue is the total revenue if all rental units are rented. In cell D6, enter a formula that calculates the peak rentals maximum revenue. In this question, you will have to add a formula in D6 to calculate the revenue. In D6 equal to B6 multiplied by C6. Simply you will have to drag and down to the last range of the formula. Maximum revenue are calculated now. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 11 is you are ready to calculate the off-peak rentals maximum revenue that can be earned. The maximum revenue is the total revenue of all rental units are rented. In cell F6, enter a formula that calculates the off-peak rentals maximum revenue. Basically in this question you will have to write a formula in cell F6 and calculate the maximum revenue. In cell F6 you will have to write a formula. Number of units are represented by B6 and multiply with daily rates B6 and hit enter, and you will have to see that maximum revenue are calculated. Simply you will have to drag this formula to the range F9. Question number 11 are completed now. We have now completed 11 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. I have also handled MyLab IT courses, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, Computer Science courses, and others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.